Gold shatters historic barrier as dollar slides and market await Fed verdict. Gold surged to an unprecedented high on Tuesday, breaching the $5,300 per ounce mark for the first time in history as a weakening US dollar and mounting uncertainty over the Federal Reserve's future policy direction sent investors rushing towards safe haven asset. Spot gold climbed nearly 2% during the session, touching an all-time peak of $5,311.31 per ounce before easing slightly. The rally followed sharp gains in the previous session, extending gold's meteoric rise in 2026. US gold futures for February delivery mirrored the momentum, jumping close to 4% as global markets braced for the Federal Reserve's closely watched policy announcement. At the heart of the surge lies the sharp decline in the US dollar, which has slipped to near 4 years' lows. The dollar's weakness has made dollar-denominated commodities more attractive to overseas investors, amplifying demand for bullion across global market. Market participants are now fixated on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, not more importantly Chair Jerome Powell's post-meeting remarks. While policymakers are widely expected to keep rates unchanged, investors are searching for signals on the future trajectory of US monetary policy, particularly amid growing political pressure on the central bank. According to the uncertainty, US President Donald Trump announced that he would soon name a successor to Powell, whose term as Fed chair ends in May. Trump also suggested that interest rates could follow under new leadership, fueling speculation about the Federal Reserve's independence and reinforcing gold's appeal as a hedge against institutional instability. Analysts caution that gold appears technically overbought, but strong dip buying behavior continues to underpin the bullish trend. According to market strategists, any near-term pullbacks are likely to attract fresh buying interest, with prices potentially targeting the $5,400 level in the coming week. Gold's stellar performance underscores its role as a refuge during periods of low interest rates and macroeconomic uncertainty. The metal has already gained more than 20% this year, building on last year's historic rally. Other precious metals showed mixed movement. Silver hovered near record territory after a dramatic year-to-date surge, while platinum retaliated modestly after recent highs. Palladium, however, extended gains amid renewed speculative interests. Despite soaring prices, retail demand for physical gold remains subdued as buyers await potential correction. Industry participants note that supply-side constraints and redefined backlogs have further complicated the market, adding to price volatility.